Hey, it's John from FlatCatGear. This is what people call a TiLight stove. They just take a TiLight, take the wax out, put the alcohol in, and there you go. This is our new TiLight stove. This is all out of titanium. It's a little bit bigger. TiLight stoves are great. They're lightweight, but pretty crush proof. TiLight stoves made out of titanium. These are 2.5 pound weights, 5 pounds, 7.5 pounds, 10 pounds of weight. This is our new TiLight stove. Easy to light, simple reservoir. Places a tea light. Get a close-up look at the flame pattern.